Van and Vids presents Brick Washing Machine. Brief summary. These videos are people putting bricks inside modified washing machines and watching them violently shake and then completely become useless. Have been viewed millions of times over on the internet and hugely enjoyed. I wanted to do something like that myself, but without adequate garden space and costs, I couldn't really do it. But a question in my mind came to my forefront, and that was, if I bought one of these toy washing machines the kids get, would I be able to do anything fun with it? Well, the short and simple answer to that question is yes, you can do something fun with it. Now, this white piece is actually a hand crank, which is normally found at the back of these toy washing machines. I've glued the hand crank to a pen lid and then into the outer casing of a pen. So it's basically a form of axle. So when I put this back on the back of the washing machine, you'll see what happens. Yeah, you can see our wee modified drivetrain thing came off there. No damage to the machine. Hope you enjoyed.